Question 12. Insects use glucose to generate ATP. Outline the process involved in the generation of ATP through chemiosmosis. So if we're talking about insects, then we are talking about aerobic respiration, and we are concentrating purely on the generation of ATP through chemiosmosis, which occurs in the electron transport chain. So this is found in the inner mitochondrial membrane. This is where the electrons are going to find their way along the electron transport chain, and they're going to release energy as they go along the electron transport chain. Therefore, the hydrogen ions can now be pumped out of the matrix into the intermembranous space, and they can be pumped against that concentration gradient. And that will therefore mean that you get a concentration gradient of hydrogen ions building up. So then the hydrogen ions can then diffuse through the ATP synthase, which is in that inner mitochondrial membrane. And within that ATP synthase, that enzyme will allow the ADP to combine with a PI, so the adenosine diphosphate, to combine with an inorganic phosphate to produce ATP. The final electron acceptor is oxygen. That oxygen will combine with the electrons that have travelled along the electron transport chain, and it will combine with the hydrogen ions. So 2 hydrogen ions and 2 electrons will combine with 1 of the oxygen, so half of the oxygen, to create water, which is H2O, which is a product of respiration.